Hi, good day, folks. Today we will see how to set up the page in a CorelDraw and how is the units are converted, unit conversion and changing of dimension of an object. So first I will tell you about the page setup, the size of the page. Here there are in the left side you can see there are a lot of standard sizes, letter, custom, A4. This is all the international standard sizes of various pages. So here you can see A4 is there, A3, A5, and there are a lot of standard sizes. Apart from that, if you want to change the dimensions, you can see the units are in inches. So here we can change the units. The unit conversion take place just by simply clicking any dimensions. Usually in drawings, in engineering drawings, we use millimeters, and for other standard drawing we use centimeter, and apart from that, for mainly in signboard field we use in feet. Everything is same but the conversion. So let me take centimeter, so you can see 21.59 centimeter. So if you put I will show you 100 centimeter, 100 by 100 is the centimeter. So your page size has been changed to 100 by 100. So if you need to change it to A4, just go to the left side and click A4. So our page size has been converted to A4. You can change the units over here and the size of the pages over here. So in centimeter it is 21 by 29.7 centimeter, while in millimeter it's 210 by 297 mm. Everything is same but units are different. So centimeter, and here you can see portrait and landscape. So if you want your page to be in landscape, just click here, and if you want to be in portrait, just click here. And the other thing is the size of the object. So I'm drawing a rectangle over here. If your object is like 25 by 36, okay, let's put the color. Here you can select the color, and if you want to remove the border, just go to here and width of the point none. So the line will be gone, only the color will be there. Alright. So if your object is greater than your page size, so one option, either you can change the size of the object to like 100%, it's in 100%, like 32, let's make it 30 by 30. Here there is a log ratio. I'll show you the log ratio also. 30 by 40. If we put the log ratio, it's log. So if we change the width to 40, the height will be proportionately increased. So it is mainly helpful in changing the size of the fonts, really the text. So if we change the one side only, unlocking the text, and we change the size, it will be like dragging the whole text. So we usually put the log button and increase the sizes, so it will increase or reduce proportionately. Here if I put 100, it will proportionately increase the length also. We put the height 50, it will reduce accordingly, proportionately the height and width changes. So, and if you unlock it, only the width or height will be changing. If you change the width changes, the height remain unchanged. So I am putting 40. You can see only the width changes to 40 and height remains the same. And our point is, if we have the object size greater than the page, either you can convert it to the object to 10% by locking the object, and 10% of 50 centimeter is 5. So I will reduce to 5 and it goes to 10% if we want to save the file. Apart from that, if you want like sticker cutting, or you need the actual size, we need to change the size of the page. So you know how to change the size of the page. Just go to here. This is 40 by 50. So I'm just putting 40 by 50. So our page size and object size is same. Click on the object and just press the button P for bringing the object, any object, to the center of the page. Just press the button P. So our object comes to the center of the page. Okay. You can slightly increase the page size also, no problem, but it should not be less than the size of the object. While exporting, if we put the page size like 30 by 50, and our object is, you can see the width is much higher than the page. So while exporting, only the page area will be exporting. The remaining part outside the page will not be exported. So make sure your page size is greater than or equal to your object size. It is suggested that your page size is always greater than your object. So let's make it to 45 by 55 and press the button P. So you can see everything is equally centered, and this is how we changes the size of the pages, unit conversion, and the object size. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.